Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. And so in our tutorial today, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to cut and make a vinyl car window decal with the Silhouette Cameo. You can also do it with the Silhouette Portrait as well, or any of the other cutters like the GCC, Graphtec, Roland, any other cutter you may have. But we definitely wanted to show you here that you can do it with a craft cutter like the Silhouette Cameo as well. So as you can see, we're going to cut one of our designs out of our Ultimate Mom vinyl window decal pack that we have available on the website at rhinestoneworld.com. A couple samples of those. We have our bowling mom design here. Pretty cool looking design. We just cut out of the Silhouette Portrait over here, our hockey mom design. So the one we're going to cut from the actual pack today, we're going to cut the soccer mom out of the pack today. So we're going to cut the soccer mom right here on the Silhouette Cameo cutter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring you over to the cutter. The materials we're going to use today, we're going to use our glitter silver FDC sign vinyl. We're also going to use one of our squeegees. We're going to use an X-Acto knife, and we're going to use some application tape. So those are all the materials we're going to need with our Silhouette Cameo cutter. So let's head over to the cutter, go ahead and get everything set up, and then I'll bring you over to the software, show you how to get that sent over to the cutter. We'll go through the weeding process and the application process. Alright, so we're over here at our Silhouette Cameo. We have our silver glitter. We also have our red glitter. We're going to use the red glitter for this softball or soccer decal that we're going to go ahead and do here. So very easy to load it with the Silhouette Cameo on the left side right here. We're going to see our line right here. You're going to see some different grooves in the Cameo that you can kind of line it up on. Make sure that your other pinch roll over here is in one of your grooves, and then you're just going to hit load media, and then we can lock this down. So now both of them are locked down here, and I'm actually going to scroll in a little bit more just to make sure it stays in there, and we are ready to go ahead and cut. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the computer and the software over here, show you how to get the file that you downloaded off our website set up and sent over to the Cameo. Alright, so over here at the computer we got CorelDRAW X6 64-bit, and we're going to be using a little bit in the TRW Stone Wizard version 2.06. So we brought the file in. You just downloaded it off our website at therhinestoneworld.com where you purchased it. We brought it in as a CDR, EPS, or SVG version. Now we want to go ahead and get it sent over to our actual Silhouette Cameo. So we want the one with the weed box around here. So when it comes to you, it's going to be all color separated like this. If you purchase files from anywhere else and you do want to color separate them, especially if it's more than one color, and create that weed box around, just highlight it. In the TRW Stone Wizard, you can just go to templates and create TRW Magic templates. Once you click that, it's going to create that perfect template for you. So we're going to delete this original one. Now we have the Silhouette Connect set up with our CorelDRAW X6. So up here, we're just going to click on the Send to Silhouette Connect. Once I click that, it's going to actually open our Silhouette Connect software here. You can see for CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. Now the TRW Stone Wizard is only available for CorelDRAW. So we're going to get this lined up here. Everything is looking perfect. And now we are going to go ahead and send it over to our cutter. Now, with your settings in the Silhouette Connect, we just have it set to the regular settings, and we actually have our blade set at 2 right now on the Silhouette Cameo for this sign vinyl. So let's go ahead and send this file on over to the cutter and see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, the Silhouette Cameo is working right here, so it's going to run through this design pretty quick. So depending on the size of the design or how many you have, this is a pretty generic design, so it's going to be easy to, if we want to, put in a little bit larger piece of our sign vinyl here. Then we can actually cut out 2 or 3 of them at the same time. Because it's not customized with the player's name or number, you can actually cut out a few at a time, have them saved for when your next order comes in. You don't have to actually recut it and weed it out. So obviously the more you make it one time, the quicker the process is going to be. Alright, so the Cameo is all done now. We're going to go ahead and hit enter to unload it. Now I definitely want to save any extra material I can, so I can see where this actually cut off here. I'm going to trim that off and save this extra red glitter. Now you can use this for different things like little websites or names for helmets or phones, anything else. So you always want to save this material. But let's go ahead and grab our X-Acto knife here, and we're going to start the weeding process. So the way that the vector file is set up, it should weed pretty easy because we kept it with, when we designed it, we kept it so it has nice smooth cut lines, so it's going to weed like that. Very simple process. And then what you're going to do is just pull out all the inside areas. So I'm going to pull out all the inside letters. And then what's going to be showing through here is the actual car window or whatever you're actually putting on for your finished product. But you can see the Silhouette Cameo, how nice. It is a craft cutter, but how nice it actually does do in the cutting process, and it does make it very easy. So with the Silhouette Cameo, we have videos out there cutting the sticky flock template material, cutting the heat transfer vinyls, the glitters, everything else, and it's going to have nice clean cuts, just like you can see right here how easy that was. Now this is a decal that we're going to sell in the glitter for probably $10 to $12 on our website. So with this decal, with the glitter sign vinyl, you normally have about 70 to 90 cents in cost depending on how much you purchase at a time. With the regular intermediate sign vinyl, for example white, you have about 15 cents in cost. You'll sell that decal for about $8 to $10. So we're going to go ahead and grab our application tape here. What I'll do is I put it upside down on it so I know how much I actually need, and then you can just trim it off from there. Best way, if you hold it like a U and just drop it down on it. Grab our squeegee here. And you don't necessarily have to have a squeegee. You can use a credit card, anything just to make sure it gets the actual application tape gets onto that decal good, so when the customer's ready to pull it off, they will be good to go ahead and apply it to their car window or whatever they're putting it on. So I'm just going to trim around right here. Alright, so that is our actual finished product right there. But you can see as I pull it up here, the actual application tape is taking the actual decal up. So when I pull this off, I'm going to pull this all the way off here. And then the customer's actually going to put this onto their car and then peel the application tape off. So I'm going to run through that process real quick here for you as well, just to show you exactly how they're going to apply it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're actually just going to apply this to another sheet of some sign vinyl, some extra sign vinyl we had. So just imagine this as the car window. So what we're going to do here, again, your customer is going to do this process once they purchase it from you. You're going to sell it to them like this. They're going to peel that off there, find out their spot where they want to apply it to, drop it down, go over it again with a credit card. You just want to make sure that the adhesive on the back of the decal gets onto that window good, and you want to make sure to clean the window good before as well. Once you're done, we're just going to pull this application tape off. The cut decal is going to stay on there perfectly, just like that, and you are done. So there's your finished product. I'm going to bring it up here, show you the glitter vinyl a little bit, show you how awesome that looks. So when that gets out in the sun, it's going to light up even more with that glitter vinyl. But we have all different colors on the website, so definitely check those out. But that is the process of actually applying the glitter soccer mom decal to a car window. Alright, so that's the complete process of applying, creating, cutting, designing, taking it from the website. The complete process of actually doing a sign vinyl out of our Ultimate Mom Pack here. So you can see the finished product right here on the back window of a car. Awesome looking design right here with the different packs that we have. You got all different sport types. But this is basically an entire business in itself. So you have a Silhouette Cameo, you have this design pack, and you have some of our FDC sign vinyl. You have an entire window decal business to start off with and get going. You can go around to your different schools, your different leagues, anything you want with all these different designs, and you'll get some great sales from it. So if you aren't doing any of the sign vinyl yet or the decals yet, you already have a vinyl cutter, definitely needed to get into this part of the business because it's going to help your sales. You already have the customer base with your shirts and you're already selling them soccer mom shirts. Why not sell them soccer mom car decals as well? It's just going to help grow your business. So just to run through real quick with the different supplies we used in this actual video. some of our glitter FTC sign vinyl that we have available on the website. We used the Silhouette Cameo to cut it. We also, the Silhouette Portrait can cut it just as easily. For the design part of it, we actually pulled it in off our website, so that file was a purchase from the rhinestoneworld.com. We used CorelDRAW X6, the TRW Stone Wizard, and Silhouette Connect were the different programs we used. And then we also used, obviously, our squeegee, our X-Acto knife, pair of scissors, and some of our R-tape application tape that we also have available on the website. So hope this video helped you out on how to create a soccer mom vinyl car decal. If you do have any questions over any of the process, make sure to give us a call. But we do have links right below this video that will bring you to all the different products that you saw in this video to purchase from the website. Any questions you have, any videos, comment below. This is how we get all of our ideas. We had a lot of people asking questions on how to cut the different sign vinyl and the different packs that we've been releasing lately on the website. So of course we wanted to create a video on it to show you exactly how to do it to help your business make some money. So again, if you have any questions over any of the process we did here today, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com. You guys have a great day.